好 ，stack Hong Kong server stack，OK，已經差唔多開始啦，唔係差唔多，係真係開始啦。今日搞咩？今日搞 Weka。曲 review 邊有曲 review 啊，大佬？懂 Weka？好，咦？咁唔得喎！咁唔得喎，日本人算啦喎。咁唔得喎。咁唔得喎。唉，我啲歌聽下先。沒什麼東西可以聽啊，是不是？我嘅流量又喺度跌，真煩。點解成日都揾唔到 pop up track 嘅喂？喂，你簡單啲得唔得啊？其實真係好奇怪嗰啲 dashboard。喂，好奇怪啫！成日一時揾到，一時揾唔到。嗱，依家係有，頂你個肺！啱啱就米都冇。喂，歡迎留言，歡迎。Say something. Welcome to leave a message. 咁又唔好得喎。咁先，哈哈。好似 Weka 我本身有嘅。Weka 我本身有啦。咁隻 delete。再 delete。是。我 download 咗去邊啊 ？W 開頭，冇 save 到咩？冇理由嘅。 Weka。喂，係，我隻 mon 唔係好熟貨，個位唔係冇啱，唉，就擺過啲，之後又擺過啲，真煩，真煩啊！真係煩。減光。唔好 full power 對住我，陣間瞓唔到覺。有咩啲 document 3.8.1啦，我記得我應該係咩嘅啫。software 點 download 啊？撳 software 都冇得 download。是嗎？desktop。聽下有冇聲先啊？呢個咩嚟㗎？Stable version 3.8 Windows Mac OS 有1.8嘅 Mac OS 先得。program temp 啦，掉翻落去例牌啦。program temp Java to 叉，唔係喎 ，DMG 嚟嘅大佬，又啱喎。Click here to download this image contain a Mac application including Java JVM， 裏邊已經有，可唔可以冇啊，大佬？你咁樣唔得嘅喎。好 ，bye。That's a bye。嚇？仲未完㗎個 download？嚇？仲未 down 完啊，原來 ，sorry 啊。好 ，D18 拜拜。我話書唔平，我張台太邋遢啫嘛。好邋遢啦，真係好邋遢，好髒啊！但而家好好多啦，平咗好多啦。啱啱 download 咗啲乜嘢啊？嚟！ JVM， 咁即係點啊？即係呢個先係啊 ？Weka source jar Weka dot jar， 呢個 Java 嚟嘅咋？搞個 Java 搞咗咁乜嘢？有啲煩。Java conversion 係1.8啦，我是1.8。CD desktop， 看到很多不用看的東西呀。EP01 呢個咩嚟㗎嘛？睇下先，看一看。咁即係點啊？攞佢出嚟啊！攞佢出嚟啦，係好煩。喂，攞唔到添喎仲？啊，攞到。唔需要你個 JVM 啊！咁樣啦，咁樣好啲。咁點啊？咁點開啊？講清楚喎。唉，真係。WKA 跟住應該呢個 program tab 啦。program tab CD 呢個 wiki。Java 減加嘅乜嘢好啊 ？Java 減加嘅Weka dot jl 啊嘛 ，Weka dot jl。點解睇 document 先？冇乜意思嘅，你開個 program 出嚟。Has a package 好，成功開咗，不過其實冇乜意思嘅。係啦，因為我未睇佢可以做到啲乜。上次唔緊要啦，呢個 MX default 64 Mbps 唔緊要啦，算啦。Then we will describe the Weka filters package, which is used to transform input data. Refocus 可唔可以放大咧？真係咁樣睇我睇唔到啊，盲啊大佬！咦，我 mon 可唔可以再較暗啲啊？Internet standard game standard， 咁但係再調得唔得咧？喂，係啦，調 input color audio set up input VGA audio color 啦嘛。 溫度調翻個色差 language transparent picture 啦，但係咁搞唔得喎，我搞唔到光喎，其實呢個mon係點搞光？一般 mon 應該搞唔到光，係咪咧？我應該真係搞唔到光。set up brightness 有入去 how to input 啊 input OK 入去較暗超級暗20幾%就咁啊，超暗。You begin to describe basic concept idea. Describe the Weka package. You transfer input data for pre-processing, transformation, future generation, and so on. Then we will use machine learning algorithms themselves. They are called classifier in Weka. 我們要 classify 我想 discrete language. We treat ourselves to common setting for all classifier and shortly note represented for all main approach in machine learning afterward. But practical example are given. Finally, in the doc directory of Weka, we find documentation of all Java class within Weka. Prepare to use it since this overview is not intended to be complete. If you want to know exactly what is, go and take a look at the most well-doc source code. 哇，睇 source code 啊！你真係厲害，睇 source code。This concept, the set of data item, the data set is very basic concept of machine learning. 其實我真係唔係搞 machine learning 喎。Data table in regular two dimension. So data set is collection example. Each one implement the Weka core instant. 所有嘢都係 instant 裏邊啦。Data set is collection example. Each instant consists number of attribute. 當然咯，係啦 ，OK 啊呢啲即係基本嘢啦。Additional type are data and relation which are not covered here, but in the ARFF chapter 應該最底。The external representation of an internal card is in but 喺呢個 common 啦。Internal name 應該呢個啦，應該全個都係 internal name。Here are two nominal attribute outlook and windy and new outlook 同 windy 嘅 attribute 唔同嘅 value， 但呢個又唔係 string 喎。attribute view instead of view 有 integer numeric numeric 點串啊 numeric 個小姐，我叫個好細呢個出嚟讀 numeric translation 去 Google Translation 啦 Google Translation numeric 嚟
numeric
嚇
numeric
嚇
numerical
numerical 我想要呢個，話知佢啫。Numeric。This line refer to numeric attribute real. Numeric while double floating point value are stored internally, only 7 decimal digits are usually processed. The last attribute is the default classes. The default target or class variable used for prediction. OK 就 output 啦。有 example 咩？我呢個就 example 啦。1、2、3、4四個 field 做最後一個 prediction。We have not mentioned the attribute type string which define double quote string attribute for text mining. In recent Weka version, daytime attribute types are also supported by default. The last attribute is considered to be the class target. The last attribute considered to be the class target variable. Target variable 啦係 attribute which should be predicted as a function of all other attributes. If this is not the case, specify the target variable while 減 c the attribute number are 1 based 1 the attribute numbers are 1 based in index one space index, especially in technical use index. One base in Dutch Google Translation. GLE Google Translation. CES.
Indices.
Indexes.唔知 specify the first attribute， 即係第一個就係 output 啦。如果你咁寫 ，some basic statistical validation of given can be the core offer useful routines convert same loader convert CSV loader dataset comma tab separate dataset respectively which we can use to import C45 dataset。 咩叫 C45 dataset？ 好 C45 方面，又佢自己出嘅。好，唔理住 Java 直接 call 呢個 class， 食完就 output 啦。ARFF 好熟喎個名。C45 file trim 佢原本嗰嚿嘢有冇啊？係頂你個肺！ CD data ARFF 好多 ARFF 喎。Weka menu 喎，啊頂唔使 down 啦，原來。你睇下兩份原來一樣嘅，哇醒目仔喎！你包蛙檔嘅時候，哇真係要讚你做得好。下次我哋臨做咗個 PDF 懟埋落去，你一攞出街啊，全世界啊就係佢啦！好。 雖然有風，但空氣好像綁着全身土黃炮，真的是1公升的汗水。My friend's Facebook。好，唔緊要，繼續睇。Any learn algorithm is derived from the abstract。有個咁樣嘅 class。In term implement 呢一嚿，即係話你 implement classify 下就得啦。Subclassing little is needed for basic classifier routine which generate a classifier model from a training dataset。我可以將一個 classifier subclassing little is needed for routine which generate a classifier model from a training dataset and from another routine which evaluate the generated model or the unseen test data。我就會 evaluate generated model。係啊，subclassing little is needed for basic classifier。你要 classifier 之前先要 train 嘢啊嘛。係啊，咁 OK 啊，明白啊。咁 another routine evaluate the generated model。generate 之後你仲要 test 一下啊嘛。我 generate probability distribution for all classes。all classes 應該呢個最尾個 result 嚟啊嘛。distribution。A classifier model is an arbitrary complex mapping from all but one dataset attribute to the class attribute. A classifier model is an arbitrary。按错啦，不要啊 ！arbitrary Google Translation。其實我唔使喺度彈。其實又真喎，咁點解可以搞咁多呢？截鬼咗佢先。其实没有什么可以做的。睇下先，有冇聲啊？有聲嘅。一邊聽住老豆，一邊去做嘢。Continue。哎呀，我未儲完里程數，我運動里程啊，儲完啦。冇痕啊！ So in summary, we can either include a hidden 300 multiply 300 image in the page or use iPhone to share it.我其實想查個字，我仲未查到。卤蛋的頻道，卤蛋大大。PC for the king， 一路睇 for the king。 arbitrary, 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 arbitrary 呢個刪咗佢先。The classifier model is arbitrary complex mapping from all but one dataset attribute to the class attribute. The classifier model is a complex mapping from all but one dataset attribute, all but one, to the class attribute. Class all but one 就 all but one， 所有但一。all but one 什麼意思啊？中文all but one 呢個片語點解釋？Each trial is conducted with all but one of the factor at normal level. 咁咯，即係 the dataset attribute to the class attribute mapping from all but one. 英文人咁寫嘅。The special form and creation of the mapping model differ from classifier to classifier. The special form, for example, zeros model just consists of a single value, the most common class or the median of the all numerical value. In case of numerical median for all numerical value. In case of a numerical value. Zero is a trivial classifier, but it gives a lower bound on the performance of a given dataset, which should be significantly improved by a more complex classifier. 咩叫 COR 喎？喂，查下先 COR。I think there was an important message, right? Right. 用COR The simple classifier relies on the target and ignore 哇咁型仔 COR 直接睇 output 哇呢個叻仔啊 Yes no 啲 There's nothing to be said about the prediction contribution to the model because COR does not use any of them. Model evaluation the following confusion metrics so that COR only predicts major class correctly. As mentioned before, COR is only useful for determining a baseline performance for the classification method baseline. 好 COR I learned a big thing COR Lower bound of performance of given dataset 唔怪之係咁講啦 which should be significantly improved by more complex classifier. As much as reasonable tests on how well the class can be predicted without considering other attributes. 即係話俾你聽，你個 dataset 其實幾偏移嘅，即係唔使估協埋眼都中嘅。Later, we'll explain how to interpret the output from the classifier in detail. For now, just focus the correctly classified instance in the section stratified cross-validation. And notice how it improves from COR to J6. But there are There are various approaches to determine the performance of the qualifier。其實我跑唔跑到啫喂，我哋俾我跑下啦，好唔好啊 ？Java 減加，其實唔係咁喎，點樣跑？其實我不會呢。VKA CLASS rules dot zero data 嘅 Weka dot ARR 嚇 Weka 啊 normal could not find on low main class Weka classifier zero rooted. How to run a class from Java. One class in jar file. 減 CP class path. OK class path. 減 CP 減 CP Weka dot jar。是不是可以？真的可以的。Detail accurate. Classifies as yes, no. CP error on training data. Correctly classify, incorrectly classify. Kappa statistic. Kappa detail accuracy by class. Confusion matrix. Correctly classify instance. Stratify cross validation. Huh? Error on training data. Huh? 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 好似80乘24喎。咁即係咁啊 ？3 dot J48 3 dot J48 J48啊，这样是怎样 ？Correct classify instant 冇5波啫喎，唔係好多啫喎，嚟多次都5波啫喎，你5波好5波。VIM 下先 data 嘅 Weka 嘅 NG no numerical option yes no attribute 呢個冇 model 喎，呢個 input 嚟嘅咋嘛 ？Numerical85 90 what different hot high 即係兩個差別應該係 hot high 跟住 output 係 yes no play yes no outlook 全 approach determining performance of are mostly simply be measured by counting the population. proportion 啊，點讀啊，大佬？proportion， 查音標先。proportion， 哇！大佬呢啲睇唔到嘅啫 ，proportion。啊，呢個啦 ，proportion，I like this proportion。Okay, proportion. By counting the proportion of correctly predict example in an unseen test data, there are various approaches to determine the performance of classifier. The performance can most simply be measured by counting the proportion of correctly predicted example in unseen test data. This value is accuracy, who is also one minor error rate. Both terms are used in literature 呢個文獻當中。literature literature The simple data set is using a training set and a test set which are mutually independent. This is referred to as holdout estimate. To estimate variance in these performance estimates. To estimate variance 咩變數啊？放差 variance in these performance estimates. Holdout estimates may be computed by repeatedly resampling the same dataset, randomly reorder it, and then split it into training and test set with a specified proportion. Proportion 啊嘛 ？proportion a part 即係部分啦 of example collecting all estimate on test data and compute the average and standard deviation of accuracy. A more irreversible cross validation. Elaborate 唔知熱門定熱衷 ABOIT elaborate method 點乜嘢詳盡而複雜嘅精心製造嘅一個詳盡方法 cross validation. A number of flow n is specified. The dataset is randomly reordered and split. 咁同上面is randomly reordered and then split into n folds of equal size. In each iteration, one fold is used for testing, the other n 減一 fold 啊 used for training 啫。即係同一個啦，呢個詳盡就解釋呢個 cross validation 嘅。The test given correlate estimates of accuracy. The flows can be purely random and slightly modified to create the same class distribution in each flow as in the complete dataset. 因為佢唔想佢嘅測試基於呢個唔太平衡嘅亂咁切關係，所以錯，所以佢專登要咁搞，即係揾嚟搞。In the later case, the cross validation is strictify. Form or arrange into a stricter socially strictify city. Strictify 直接查 strictify 分層 strictify I 留咗 I strictify Strictify leave one out cross relative to significant that n is equal to the number example out of necessary low CV has to be non-strictified。 CV 係咩啊 ？n 即係呢個應該 n 啊嘛 ，n 就 CV 啦嘛。Leave one out 就估一個。The class distribution in the tests are not related to those in the training data. The class distribution in the tests are not related to those in the training data. Therefore, low CV tend to give less reliable results. However, it's still quite useful in dealing with small datasets since it utilizes the greatest amount of training. 即係呢班 out 都 OK 嘅。你專登呢班 out 念咗 CP。好啦，今日真係頂唔順啦，今日 take a sleep。走啦。